Follow Eagle Landing7 TV on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube for an amazing escape from life's worries. Say goodbye to distress and depression as we transport you to a realm of pure entertainment and joy. Meet L'Homme à la Guitare, your musical guide, as he strums enchanting melodies that invite you to sing along and make memories. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Haiti, where you'll explore the depths of the Creole language intertwined with snippets of French, Spanish, and English. Dive into a treasure of knowledge with insightful updates from Haiti and beyond. Delve into the lives of international leaders and witness captivating events that shape our world. Stay connected with the pulse of the African continent, its people across the Caribbean and the globe, and their stories that deserve to be heard. Join in daily and stay with us on eL7 TV, where every moment comes alive.